Welcome to EM Classroom GK Everyday. This is part 17 and this video includes 25 GK questions and its answers. Share this video and subscribe our channel. First question. In which year man landed on moon? In 1969. Commander Neil Armstrong and lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin formed the American crew that landed the Apollo lunar module Eagle on July 20, 1969. The first human-made object to touch the moon was the Soviet Union's Luna 2 on 30th September 1959. Question number 2. Where is femur, the longest bone in the human body? Thigh. Question number 3. Instrument used to measure the intensity of earthquake is seismograph. The first seismograph was invented in 132 AD by the Chinese astronomer and mathematician Chang Heng. He called it an earthquake weathercock. Question number 4. Who invented insulin? Frederick Banting and Charles Best. Question number 5. In order to popularizing which subject Kalinga Prize is awarded? Science. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. 1969. Man landed on moon in 1969. Thigh. The longest bone in the human body is in thigh. Seismograph. Instrument used to measure the intensity of earthquake. Frederick Banting and Charles Best invented insulin. Science. Not to popularizing science, Kalinga Prize is awarded. Hope you have understood these questions. Let's move on to next section. Question number 6. Who called Kerala as lunatic asylum? Swami Vivekananda. Question number 7. Name the Renaissance leader who organized the controversial Bullock Cart March. Ayyankali. Question number 8. On which date Shivagiri pilgrimage starts? December 30. Shivagiri is a pilgrimage center in Varkala municipality of Trivandrum, where the tomb of Srinarayana Guru is. His tomb attracts thousands of devotees every year during the Shivagiri pilgrimage days from 30 December to 1st January. Question number 9. Which is the oldest mountain ranges in India? Aravalli in Rajasthan state. Question number 10. To which sports Davis Cup is related? Long tennis, formed in 1800. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Swami Vivekananda called Kerala as lunatic asylum. Ayyankali, the Renaissance leader who organized the controversial Bullock Cart March. December 30. Shivagiri pilgrimage starts on December 30. Aravalli is the oldest mountain ranges in India. Long tennis. Davis Cup is related to long tennis. Hope you have understood these questions. Let's move on to the next section. Question number 11. Name the railway factory in West Bengal. Chittaranjan. founded in January 26, 1950. Question number 12. In which year the first 5-year plan launched? 1951. Where is Meenakshi Sundareshwar Temple? Madurai in Tamil Nadu state. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva, who is known here as Sundareshwar, our beautiful Lord, and his consort Parvati, who is known as Meenakshi. Question number 14. Buckingham Palace is the royal residence of British monarch. Question number 15. Name the river on which Hirakud Dam is built. Mahanadi. Hirakud Dam, the longest man-made dam in the world. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanadi River, about 15 km from Sambalpur in the state of Orissa in India. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Chittaranjan, the railway factory in West Bengal. 1951, the first 5-year plan launched in 1951. Madurai, Meenakshi Sundareshwar Temple is in Madurai. British monarch, Buckingham Palace is the royal residence of British monarch. Mahanadi, the river on which Hirakud Dam was built in Mahanadi. Hope you have understood these questions. Let's move on to the next section. Question number 16. In which year League of Nations was formed? 1920. The League of Nations, abbreviated as LON, was the first worldwide intergovernmental organization whose principal mission was to maintain world peace. Question number 17. On which date Second World War came to an end? 2nd September 1945. Question number 18. In which year Battle of Plassey took place? 1757. The Battle of Plassey was a decisive victory of British East India Company over the Nawab of Bengal and his French allies on 23 June 1757 under the leadership of Robert Clive, which was possible due to the defection of Mir Jafar Ali Khan. Question number 19. Which union territory has its own high court? Delhi. Question number 20. Place where nuclear experiments are conducted in India is Pokhran in Rajasthan state. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. 1920. League of Nations was formed in 1920. 2nd September 1945. Second World War came to an end on 2nd September 1945. 1757. Battle of Plassey took place in 1757. Delhi. Union territory has its own high court. Is Delhi. Pokhran, place where nuclear experiments are conducted in India, is Pokhran. Hope you have understood these questions. Let's move on to the last section. Question number 21. Which is longest river in Kerala? Bharatapuzha. Bharatapuzha, also known as the Nila, is a river in India in the state of Kerala with a length of 209 km. It is the longest river of Kerala. The total length of Bharatapuzha is 250 km of which 41 km runs along Tamil Nadu from where it originates. Question number 22. When was Idukki formed? 26 January 1972. Question number 23. Which district is known as Spice Garden of Kerala? Idukki. Question number 24. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala. Last question. Which is the oldest city in Kerala? Kollam. Now let us see the last 5 questions once again. Bharatapuzha is the longest river in Kerala. 26 January 1972, in which Idukki formed. Idukki, known as Spice Garden of Kerala. Kerala is known as Spice Garden of India. Kollam is the oldest city in Kerala. Hope you have understood these questions. If you like this video, please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.